Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this video is about a modified Windows version specially designed for games. Yes guys, I am talking about Atlas OS. If you are interested in technology related content, please subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get notification when I upload a new video. If you get any knowledge from the video, please like this video, and also comment down about your interested topic. So let's begin the video. So guys, Atlas OS is a modified operating system of Windows 10 for low-end PC. In this operating system, the developer removed the unwanted softwares that uses huge memory like RAM storage, CPU. So it works smoothly in the low-end PC. There are two versions of Windows 10 OS available, Atlas OS 20H2 and Atlas OS 1803. The Atlas OS developers also said that the Atlas OS is specially optimized for low-end PC gamers. In the Atlas OS main website they describes the features of the operating system. Atlas OS use only less CPU usage. It's very memory efficient. We get more space for our drive. It provide great privacy. Also it mainly designed for gamers. So time to talk about how to download the Atlas OS. First open any web browser and type Atlas OS download. Then we reach into Atlas OS main website. Then select the Windows version suitable for you. In my opinion, download 20H2 version. It is much better for us. Then press download latest. Okay guys, our Atlas OS ISO file is get started download. Then we need to make a bootable drive with the help of Rufus software. Also I am giving the download link of Atlas OS and Rufus software in the description. After that, for install of Atlas OS it's like installing normal Windows 10. So that's for today guys, thanks for watching.